They say a pharmacist is like a walking encyclopedia of medicine. So if you're ready to learn about yet another amazing opportunity for pharmacists in Kuwait, watch this video till the end. Please hit subscribe button so that we can keep guiding you through getting your pharmacy registration in Kuwait. Before getting into the process, let me ask you a simple question. What is the most appealing part of moving abroad? Is it fewer immigration hurdles, higher pay, or how about no stressful language exams like IELTS or TOEFL? In Kuwait, you get all of that and more. Number one, simple migration process, low competition in the job market, tax-free income, and many job opportunities. Sounds like a perfect career move, doesn't it? Now all that we need to do is check your eligibility, and for that we have a quick checklist for you. Do you have a BPharm or MPharm degree? Have you gained at least 2 years of experience as a pharmacist or pharmacy assistant? Are you a licensed pharmacist in your home country? If you have answered yes to all of these, then there is a good news for you. You are eligible to take the MOH exam. Number one, attest your documents. Think of this as your starting point. Get your pharmacy degree and other educational documents attested by the government of India or your respective country. Number two, land a job. Next, you need to secure a job offer in Kuwait. Either at a hospital or a pharmacy, your employer will provide an official employment letter confirming they are ready to hire you. Number three, submit your documents. Take your attested documents and the employment letter to the Drug Inspection Authority in the Sabah region. Pro tip, if you're already in Kuwait, your HR department can help you with this step. Number four, verify your data and degree. ISVSC data check. This online verification costs about 100 KD and takes roughly a month. Ministry of Kuwait equivalency. Upload your documents online and schedule an appointment at Sanabil Tower. This process may take 3 to 6 months, so plan ahead. Number 5, training and testing. Ready for some hands-on experience? You will undergo 1 week of training at a government hospital followed by a test. The results are sent directly to the Drug Control Department. Number 6, the big moment, Kuwait MOH exam. Now let's talk about the exam. There are 50 questions in total, 30 in English on pharmaceutical topics like pharmacology and therapeutics, 20 in Arabic mainly on pharmacy laws. Worried about the Arabic section? Relax. You can ask the invigilator for the translation help. The passing score would be 60%. You have got this. Number 7, get your pharmacist ID card. Head over to the Kuwait Pharmacy Association in Jabriya, pay a 25 KD membership fee, and voila, you will get your official ID card. Now comes the apply for the pharmacy license. The final step is to submit your KUPHA receipt to your HR department, who will help you process your electronic pharmacy license. It is valid for 2 years and you are now officially licensed to work in Kuwait. Why the Kuwait MOH exam is worth it. Are you still confused about the decision? Let me paint a picture. You are in Kuwait working as a pharmacist in a dynamic healthcare system, earning a tax-free income and building a future you have always dreamed of. Doesn't that sound amazing? Kuwait is waiting for skilled pharmacists like you. Start preparing for the Kuwait MOH exam today and take the first step towards an exciting career in the Gulf. Got more questions, doubts, queries? Drop them below in the comments. We will try to bring more videos for you, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on any updates like this one. This is Sunidhi Shahi signing off.